Hey guys, welcome to Tony's How To's. In this video, I will show you how to refund items on Roblox. So there was actually a recent lawsuit against Roblox wherein they actually failed to give out refunds to users that have their items deleted from their inventory. So there are actually items being deleted from different users, although they already paid real money to buy that item. So Roblox got actually sued for that, and right now Roblox is actually giving out refunds for items that were deleted from your account. So there are actually multiple reasons why your account or your item might be missing from your account. So maybe there might be reasons for moderation or even for copyright claims. So there might be the reasons why your item might be deleted on your account. So if you paid real money for this one, then Roblox will probably give you a refund for that item. So right now, for you to start getting your refund, the only thing that you need to do is you just need to wait for the email from Roblox settlement. So if you receive any emails from noreply@robloxsettlement.com, then most probably this is from Roblox. Although sometimes it's gonna look like kind of fishy because it looks pretty basic, but if it's Roblox settlement, then most probably you'll just need to wait for your refund to come. So there's no action from your side, you just need to wait for your refund to arrive on your account. So if you notice any Robux coming into your account, then it means that your credits is automatically added into your account. So no worries on that. So basically you don't need any actions on that, you just need to wait for your refund to come into your account. But you could also go to Roblox settlement if you're eligible for this one. You could go ahead and submit a claim form for this one, but make sure to read this properly so that you won't get in trouble or more. So make sure you're also of legal age for you to go to the claim form here. So at least 18 and above would be great. But yeah, so if you're going to ask if it's possible to actually refund an item that is currently in your inventory that you actually bought, then unfortunately right now you won't be able to refund any items that aren't deleted. So if your item is deleted from your inventory or that item is no longer available, then that item is eligible for refund. But if your item is not deleted and you're still using it, then unfortunately you won't be able to have, or we won't have the refund available for you. So the only thing that they could refund right now are items that are deleted from your account or from the store, and that's about it. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, you could use the link in the description to subscribe. See you in the next video.